Well, it's about 120 degrees out here. We got the egret sitting there waiting for me to stir up. And we sweating like Bremer bulls. And we about got it this fall. I'm doing some log splitting. Hell, they won't get big pieces. They won't take in big pieces. But anyway, we about got her. It's hotter than the sun was gone. But we working on her, JJ. Uh-oh, Odell's pulling a piece of metal out of something. Son of a bitch. You see that? Big piece of flat bar. I don't know where it come from. Ah, damn. Anyway, that may have been what was